Does your TRX-4 make this nasty noise? Well, here's how to fix it. Remove these screws. Then remove these 2 screws. Then remove these screws. Then pull out the tray. Then remove these 3 screws. Then remove these 2 screws. Now you have your motor out. Next, we need to make sure that it's actually the motor making the noise. So rev it while it's in the air, and if it still makes a noise like this, then continue. Pull out the motor with some compressed air. So now you're going to want to clean it. So you're going to use mass airflow sensor cleaner, electric motor cleaner, throttle body cleaner, and stuff like that. So wires up, cannot be plugged in. Just let's see how much we can get out. Now you should just let it dry for like 20 or 30 minutes. Just because we can't really have a spark touch that cleaner because it's highly flammable. Now let's get on with the reassembly. Just something to note when you're putting it back together. The stock gearing is the C-hole. So this is what it should look like when you're done putting the motor screws back in. Back in the battery tray. There you have it. Your TRX-4 is fixed. Alright, so I hope this fixed your car, and please consider subscribing. Bye.